Hey there! Do you love crochet? Or maybe you're just starting your journey? Either way, we've got you covered. Welcome to the Crochet Guidebook, your app for everything crochet. From the basics like slip knots, chains, to advanced stitches that will level up your skills, it's all here. We also have video tutorials for the basic stitches. Stuck on ideas? Dive into a project library with quick makes, perfect gifts, seasonal inspirations, and fun challenges to keep you hooked. Plus, you can customize patterns, learn finishing techniques, and even explore color changes like a pro. Whatever your style, we've got tips to help you create something uniquely you. So whether you're a beginner looking for guidance or a pro ready to try something new, the Crochet Guidebook is your perfect companion. Download now and let's get started on your next crochet masterpiece.